Hey, good morning. Welcome back. It's Monday, and I know this is how we're all feeling today. I know that's how I'm feeling today. But get back to work. Some of you got some work to get caught up on. There's quite a bit of assignments out there outstanding. For those of you who have got everything up to date, good on you. Good job. Just keep plugging away if you haven't got them done. But guys, seriously, you got to start getting some of these assignments in if you're dawdling, because you're going to start getting Stonewall, and we really only have like 2.5 weeks left in this course. We are almost, believe it or not, at the halfway point of this course. I'm not going to keep you long today. Yes, it is Monday, and today, what we are looking at is, last week we started looking at how to learn a new skill. Today, you should have already taken your initial skill. Today you're going to take a short video of yourself doing the skill, but I don't just want the video of your skill. Remember that the skill can be broken down into smaller segments. So as an intro to your video, I want you to explain to me what are the individual components of the skill you're doing. So for instance, nobody is shooting a puck, but let's say shooting a puck is a skill. And we're going to look at our slap shot later on this week. But shooting a puck as a skill might include, for instance, where are your eyes? Head looking at a target, not at the puck. Weight transfer, shifting from left to right. Contacting the puck just behind the ice, making sure it's not too far ahead, too far back. Following through. Okay, every simple skill can be broken down. So take your skill and tell me, what are its individual components? Okay. Number 2, last week I gave you a skills research assignment where you researched a particular skill. That's due today. If you haven't got that done, take some time to get that done. I'm hoping this week, if the weather permits, that's actually a misprint, but we're going to do some cam jam, not bocce ball. Bocce ball you're going to do tomorrow, relax. But today, we're going to do cam jam. So take a second and watch the introductory video on how to play cam jam, what are the rules, review the PDF of the rules. Okay, I've given you the attachments right in the announcements. You should be able to click and it'll send you right to that particular one. Remember, every time you click to go something in the announcement, come back to the announcement to finish off, okay? When you've done the previous 2 steps, you're prepared to take the following quiz, okay? And again, I've given you the link in the announcement sections to take you right to the quiz, same as what you did last week. And answer the quiz and submit it. The last thing today, you're going to complete another Olympic 365 sports topic. We're going to start getting into more nutrition, looking at the topic, and the course is called Nutrition Eat to Win. So once you have done that, make sure you are submitting your certificate into. Please remember, when you're submitting anything, submit it into the proper drop box. I can't mark what I can't find. So if you put everything into the My Hockey Biography, I'm not going back to look through 15 different folders to try to find your assignment. So make sure, if you haven't already, clean up your folders. Make sure your assignments are in the right folders so that I can find them. Okay? If you have any questions, again, I'm just an email away. Send it to me. Have a great day, and we will see you on the ice this week on Wednesday.